It's a 2014 Chrysler 200. This unique sedan looks as good as it drives. Sleek exterior lines and an upscale interior create a powerful presence inside and out. With heated mirrors, low tire pressure warning, speed control, and multiple airbag systems, no wonder it's a top safety pick. Stay connected with steering wheel mounted audio controls. Test drive the elegance and performance of this 200 today. Here's a 2014 Chrysler 200. Everything you'd expect from a Chrysler and then some. Conquer any road safely with the speed control, low tire pressure warning, multiple airbags, and stability and traction control. Plus, delight in the integrated technology, including remote keyless entry and steering wheel mounted audio controls. Take to the road in this Chrysler 200 today.
We're confident we have the right used car, truck, or SUV for you. Stop in and see us today at 2008 US Highway 19 in Holiday, Florida.